Hi, good afternoon, and congratulations because you're signing up for Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. Your name and a brief introduction about yourself.
Well, I am Aldreg Alvarez. I'm representing Pasay City. I'm a law student, a third-year law student at San Pablo Colleges. So magtataka kayo bakit sa Laguna because it's an online class and it's much cheaper to be to be enrolled in the province than here. I'm a cheap guy.
So ngayon, you're staying here na in Manila.
Yes, I'm staying in Manila for like quite nung 3 or 4 years na.
Okay. And then, what's your motivation to join Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide?
Actually, as yung kanina ko minention kanina, minention ko kanina. Actually, yung minention ko kanina na kahapon ko lang nalaman yung about Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. But I just go for it. Sinabi lang nila sa akin na sumali ka. O sige na nga dahil ang tagal ko na rin namang grounded sa school and sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. Parang hindi naman ako nagpapakita sa mga tao. So, why not magpakita na ngayon?
First pageant mo or have you joined?
I've joined before nung mga parang teenager pa ako. But, syempre it's like, parang bagets na bagets ka pa. It's a different journey. Like, I'm so immature pa at that time. And siguro right now, I'm much mature na. And yun, I feel great naman sa interview. So, I don't know.
So, how are you preparing for Mr. Pilipinas World?
Ayun, as I mentioned din earlier kanina, na hindi naman ako nakapag-prepared because like, kahapon ko lang nalaman. And, well, you can never be really prepared naman talaga for anything, kahit anong mangyari. Well, I prepare my clothes. Like, yun lang naman. Para lang maging pogi ako dito.
What was your family's reaction? Did you tell them that you're signing up for Mr. Pilipinas?
Actually, they will be surprised because nobody knows. Just recently nga, di ba, nalaman ko. And then pumunta ako dito, right? And, as in, ako pa nga yung pinakamaaga kasi sabi sa akin ni Tito, pumunta daw ako dito ng mga before 1. So before 1, nandito na ako. And, yun.
Sige. Your message to your followers, to your supporters, to your family.
So my message is please do support me if ever I'll be casted here in the Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. Malay nyo, I'll become the next Mr. Supranational. So look at me na po ngayon. Joke lang. Confident.
Congratulations in advance. Thank you.
Thank you so much.